Hello friends, today I came up with another unboxing video, and this time I have bought a Logitech mouse m337, the number of this mouse for my MacBook Air, because I was using the trackpad and I thought that to make it useful, because when I was using a Windows laptop I was using the Logitech mouse, so therefore I thought that why not to use MacBook Air with the mouse. And this is the Bluetooth mouse, wireless Bluetooth mouse, and I got it from Flipkart and I got it for 1300 rupee. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So usually Flipkart's packaging are very good. So you can see the mouse here, the bill is also here. So let me put it like this. So again it is packed in this paper, and you can see the bill also. So let me put this bill outside and just open it. So there is no need to open it, and you can see the mouse. It is written Logitech, the company's name, and the model number is M337 Bluetooth convenient, and here is some barcoding you can see. And I got this mouse in a black color. So let me take it outside from this packaging. Difficult for me to take it out. Yes, that is the thing. So you can see the packaging is good. I have taken it, and there is a mouse, you can see. And let me show you the physical overview of this mouse. This mouse comes with the black color. There are 4 buttons, the left button, right button, and this is score button. You can score it, and this is the button which you use while using in MacBook, because it if you press this, it will you can also get all the gestures of the trackpad of MacBook. On the back side you can see this is the on and off button, and this is the button of Bluetooth button. If you press it, it automatically press to the connect with your PC or your MacBook or your other laptop. And here is a battery. You can see this battery. The capacity of this battery is very good. So it is a AA 1.5 watt battery, and so now I'm going to configure it with my MacBook Pro, my MacBook Air, and after that I will show you the result, and then I will going to make the review of this product in this video. And you can see that here is something little bit gray color. This whitish gray color is there. So you can see that the MacBook has started, this mouse has started. Now I'm going to configure it, connect it with my MacBook Air, and then I will show you how it actually works with it. And even though this video is going to be a little bit longer, but I appeal you all, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so you can get such kind of videos regularly. And please like it and share to your friends, and be continued, because I'm going to give you the performance of this mouse with the MacBook Air. तो यहाँ पे मैंने मेरा जो माउस है Logitech, I have connected it with my MacBook Air, and now I am going to show you the performance. So you can see the performance is good of this. I'm not touching to the trackpad, and you can see here. And if I press this button, so you can see I can get the gesture also. So you can see the gesture and all these things, and I can show you the speed. So if you go to the system preferences and to the mouse, so you can make the speed of the tracking and storing speed of this MacBook, and if you want to set up it, so already it is a setup. So ready. Again, if you go to the system preferences and go to the mouse, and again you can enhance the speed, and you can see that it is quickly moving. So friends, this was the mouse, and it really works with the MacBook Air or any MacBook Pro. It also works with any Windows laptop and your PC, if your PC support to the Bluetooth. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and if you like this video, so please like it, and if you have anything in your mind, please put in comment section. So thank you for watching.